Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to install fog light on my FZ. So this is the fog light which I bought from our local market. You can bought it from online as well. I'll put the link in the description. To mount this fog light you need two clamps and a switch. So I'm going to mount my fog light on my leg guard and then I'll show you the wiring process. So let's do that. Okay, so let's install the switch. So switch is installed. Now it's time for wiring. Okay, so let's install the light. So clamp is installed. So now fit the light. So light is installed and don't tight it too much for the first time because after installing you might need to uh, adjust the position of your light. So let's see the wiring process, and I'm going to wire this light completely from outside. You don't need to open your main wiring, so it's completely safe. So let's see. So I have installed the other side. This is the wire for this light, and you just need to follow 5 steps to wire completely safe this light. So first of all I'd like to say that the red wire is positive and the black wire is negative for any lights or any wire. So first of all you need to join these two positive wire for both light. Okay, so I'm joining the positive wire for the both light. Now you need to join the negative wire for both of the lights. So I already installed my switch, and this is the wire for the switch. The black one is negative wire and the green one is positive. So now join both of the positive wire of light to the negative wire of switch. I'm using black tape here. I'm using some extra wire to join the positive wire of switch to the connection point. So first of all, join this wire. So as I said earlier, I'm going to wire this light completely from outside. So I'm taking the power from this wire. So let's see how. First of all, remove these two wire from horn. So you need to join this wire to this one. Join the wire just like it. Just do a little punch and join the wire. Simple. Now plug in the wire to the horn as it was. Now you need to earthing these two negative wire of light. So you need to find a earthing point like a metal part. I'm using this type of wire to earthing this light. So first I'm joining them together. Now you need to find a earthing point like a metal part. So I'm going to join this wire to this one. Turn on the switch. Now let's touch this metal part. As you can see, it's worked fine. Ooh. So it works. So I'm going to again I'm using black tape to cover this wire because it looks bad like a green wire, a red wire, a white wire in bike. Basically the wiring process is same for all motorcycles. Okay, so let's join the wire. And don't worry if you don't have this type of ring wire, you can simply put the wire here and tight the nut. That will also work. And also you don't need to open this whole side panels. I have removed because to show you clearly, nothing else. So this is all what you have to do. The wiring process is done. Now let's see how it works. I'll tight this nut after this video. Don't worry. So first turn on the switch and turn on this switch, and as you can see, both the light works fine. So this is the wiring process. Just remember 5 steps. That first of all, join the positive wire of both light. Second is join the negative wire of both lights. Third, join the positive wire of switch to a connection point. Like this is my positive wire of switch, and it is connected to here. And the fourth thing is join to negative wire of the switch. Join the negative wire of the switch to the positive wire of both the light. And the last step is find an earthing point on your motorcycle, whatever it is. Then connect the both of the negative wire of your light to that earthing point. That's all. And now I'm covering this wire with a black tape because it looks too bad like a red wire, green wire. So I'll do after this video. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you like the video. Thank you.